How to use Peacock TV on different devices. Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To use a Peacock TV on different devices, firstly let's find out what we can do for Android. In this case, you can just install your Peacock application from your Play Store. Then if you have already created an account, just tap on the sign in button. Or to sign up, tap on choose a plan, then begin with the account creation. For your Android and your iOS device, it is similar. In the iOS device, just head over to your App Store, search for Peacock app and install in your device. In a computer and laptop, you can visit the peacocktv.com, then sign in. You can enjoy it on various browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Not only this, even your gaming console does support Peacock. All you need to do is access through the App Store in your gaming consoles. Find the Peacock app on your console App Store and download it. Now all you have to do is simply log in into your Peacock account. You will not require any of the additional PIN for it. Just make sure you already have a Peacock account, then just enter a credential and enjoy in any device that you prefer. And that brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.